Okay, here we are, day 4. As you can see, we've got some new pipe going on. Got all the chipping and demo done out of the way on the front of the house. So it's all new pipe production from here on out. As you can see, there are hangers every 3 feet. So everything stays exactly where I put it whenever they're backfilling this hole. As you can see, I've left that P-trap off there because the AC condensate drain is tied into that drain, so I don't want to be dealing with a constant drip right where I'm putting a new pipe, so I'll come back and install that once I get it all tied in at the other end.